Brenda is most interested in attending the 5 mathematical presentations. Well, obviously. Show the full probability distribution of the number of mathematical presentations if she attends 2 presentations at random. What is the expected value? So we're looking at a probability distribution here. This is what it says. Show the full probability distribution. That means we need to decide what our random variable represents. And this is of the number of mathematical presentations that if she attends 2 presentations at random. So she could attend 0, 1, or 2 of presentations being mathematical in nature. Either, neither of them, in which case both of them are political, both of them are mathematical, or she could attend one of each. So we're trying to figure out now what, in order to finish this probability distribution, we need to find the probabilities of each of these. Now, on that last problem, we actually figured out the probability of attending both mathematical in nature is 5 choose 2 over 8 choose 2. The probability that they're both political in nature is 3 choose 2 over 8 choose 2. And one thing that I kind of left off of these that you might think is a little weird, or I don't know, it might be natural. You might want to add on the fact that if she did 3 choose 2, these are the political, she would do 5 choose 2 for the mathematical. That way we get the whole summing to 8 up here and summing to 2 down there. Similarly over here, this would be 3 choose 0 times 5 choose 2. But in this middle one, where she attends one of each, 3 choose 1 and 5 choose 1 over 8 choose 2. That would be the probability distribution. We could actually find some of these numbers. 3 times 1 is 3. Let's see, 8 choose 2. I should figure that number out. 8 choose 2 is 28. I'm going to jump over to this one. This is 0, or that's 1 rather. 5 choose 2. Oops. 5 choose 2 is 10. And then this middle one, we have 3 times 5, which is 15. You'll notice between the 3 of these, they do actually sum to 1. 3 plus 15 is 18, plus 10 is 28. If we were to sum these up, we'd get 28 over 28. So that is the entire probability distribution. The reason I'm actually going through the steps of finding these numbers when before I was just leaving those alone is the follow-up question here says, what is the expected value? E of x would then be would be 0 times the probability of 0, plus 1 times the probability of 1, plus 2 times the probability of 2. Well, that part's 0. I actually didn't need that number, I guess. This one is 15 over 28. It's 1 times 15 over 28, plus 2 times 10 over 28. 15 plus 20 is 35 over 28. And 35 divided by 28 gives us 1.25. So we would expect her to attend 1.25 mathematical presentations. It makes sense that it's a little more biased toward attending more mathematical presentations than political presentations, because there are more mathematical than political presentations here. And again, the fact that this is a decimal, it's not possible to actually attend 1.25, is not really a problem, because the expected value is an average. If she was to do this again and again, then and average the number of mathematical presentations that she attended, it would average out to 1.25.